Hello, everybody. People who follow my channel remember my sneak boat for fishing and duck hunting, which I built 2 years ago. Back then, I tested it with a homemade drill paddle, but times go by and I decided to make an electric drive with a remote control so that I could have my hands free for fishing. Oh, I bought a 200-watt motoboat motor, a controller, and a pack of 4 lithium batteries. Then I assembled all that together in the entire circuit and got this. All that easy to handle, easy to carry, and easy to transport. So, good, nice. And here you can see how easy I use my feet to steer the boat. So easy for steering, very. Now that your hands aren't busy with the controls, you can fish on the go. For example, trolling. It's a wonderful autumn day, sunny, windless, warm, just a perfect day. Here you can see my temporary mount. From all this, I can conclude that the system works well, but the motor is a little bit noisy. Perhaps seems I need it. I didn't get any fish today, but it's okay. I can tell you honestly, no fish, no problem. And that's all for today, folks. So, see you next video. Bye.